Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. Have you ever found yourself looking at something and thinking, why didn't anyone tell me this or teach me this? How collections works, how cash flow works, how cooperative contracts work, how bonding works, how insurance works, how business systems work, how the financial system actually works. Most people aren't struggling because they can't learn. They're struggling because nobody taught it to them in plain language. That's why I created the Nobody Taught Us series, a place where we take the things most people were never shown and break them down into actual language people can actually use. No gatekeeping, no confusing jargon, no pretending everyone should already know. Just practical explanations of the things that affect our everyday lives. Because it was never that you couldn't learn it, it was because no one explained it. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to explain it in plain language. Be blessed.